Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Costa Rica has long been celebrated as a powerhouse for medical device manufacturing, attracting top global companies for its stability and skilled workforce. But last week, the ground shifted. The Ministry of Health announced a pivotal new regulation, the Medical Device Innovation Pathway, or MDIP, designed exclusively for devices manufactured within Costa Rica. This move signals a strategic pivot from being just a production hub to becoming a launch market for the entire Latin American region. The MDIP promises a dramatically accelerated registration timeline, cutting approval for Class 2 and 3 devices from years down to a matter of months. For companies already manufacturing in the country, this appears to be a golden ticket for rapid market access. However, the devil is in the details. This new pathway is not a simple fast track. It's a strategic gambit with new, complex requirements. To qualify for the MDIP, companies must undergo a supplementary local audit that goes beyond standard ISO 13485 certification, focusing on supply chain resilience and local component sourcing. Furthermore, applicants are required to submit detailed, post-market surveillance plans that include economic impact reporting to a new national database. Take the case of a mid-sized American company that produces diagnostic catheters in the Alajuela Free Trade Zone. They saw the MDIP as their gateway to LATAM, but their existing global quality management system was not prepared for the specific documentation on local supplier verification, and their legal team raised flags about the depth of post-market data sharing. This presents a crucial trade-off: unparalleled speed to market versus a significant increase in local compliance and data transparency. Companies must now weigh the benefits of a 90-day approval against the operational costs of meeting these stringent, country-specific standards. This development is a clear message that understanding deep local nuances is no longer optional for success. For expert guidance on navigating these new regulations in Costa Rica and beyond, contact the team at Pure Global by email at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.